everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. Today I will be sharing with you guys some home decor pieces I grabbed for my late summer decorating videos that are coming up. And if you guys haven't seen my previous decorating videos, I have 3 different videos in which I decorated a different part of my house for summer, and I'll go ahead and link them up here in the iCard or down in the description box. But I decided to go with a farmhouse theme for summer, so I didn't go for like the traditional lemons or honey bee theme that is going around. I just wanted something fresh and clean, and I loved it so much, you guys, that for my late summer decorating, I didn't want to stray too far away from it, but I definitely wanted to make it feel like more of late summer, so where flowers start kind of dying and things start drying up a little bit, but just that like farmhouse feel still. And you guys already know the reason behind it is it just reminds me of my dad and just spending our summers out in his ranch. So that is the inspiration behind it, and I wanted to share the pieces with you guys because I'm actually pretty surprised that a lot of the pieces I found are like spring related pieces. So maybe if you guys still have them at your Hobby Lobby, because basically it's all from Hobby Lobby, that way you guys can head out and look for some of them, because I was actually pretty surprised that I would even think about using like the spring decor pieces for my late summer display. And again, I didn't want it to feel like fall because it's not fall yet, so I'm thinking about like decorating again towards the middle end of July. So it's not fall yet, but it definitely feels like late summer. So let's go ahead and go into the video because I've done enough rambling. But the first pieces that I grabbed were these little like wicker baskets right here. They're so cute, like I freaking love them. They're so adorable, and I had been wanting it since it came out with the spring collection, but I just didn't know what I would use it for since I already had other pieces. But this was $5.99, 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and it just has this really cute like lace bow. And I grabbed the smaller size as well as the larger size, which is this one. And again, it's just the same exact basket. This one was $7.99 and I got a 50% off. I think it's absolutely adorable, and I'm thinking of displaying it kind of like on top of each other, maybe with like this one open and some greenery coming out of it. I'm still not sure yet, so make sure you are subscribed and you have your notification bell turned on. That way when I upload my decorating video, you guys can go ahead and see how I end up styling these. But now, to go with like the wicker theme, you guys know that I like using, if I'm going with one material, I like using it several times throughout my house. It just makes everything feel cohesive, and it ties different corners of the house together without being like matchy. So when I saw this, I was in love. I hadn't even seen it at Hobby Lobby, and I actually found it misplaced. So I later on figured out that they have it placed where like you get all of the baskets, shelves, and all of those type of things at Hobby Lobby. But it is this basket, like, I don't know, bag, I don't know what to even call it because it's absolutely amazing. I love it. This has like a vintage graphic of a bike, and then it's just like this material with some leather straps. And I'm thinking of putting this underneath my TV on my like TV console with some florals, which you guys will see in just a minute. And I think it's gonna be a good switch coming from like the magnolia wired black basket that I have down there. So I'm so excited to use this. And this was not on sale, but I did use my 40% coupon, but you can just wait for it to go on 50% off. But it was $24.99, which again, I don't think is bad for such a big statement piece like that. So the next 3 items again are from the spring line. This is a table runner. It just matches the placemats I've used several times in a few of my decorate with me videos, and it is shorter than my table by a lot. This one is actually only 55 inches, which is perfect because I just wanted something to lay on top of my table, like in the middle. I didn't want it to hang over the sides. You guys will see why, but that's just the vision I have in my head for the display I want to do on my table. So that is why I got this one, and this was $14.99, 50% off. And yeah, it's just such a good neutral decor piece. Again, you can use this. I've used my placemats multiple times. I used it for like my spring decor, all of my spring decor. I've used it for summer. I've just used this material so much, so I recommend it. And then it also matches the lace on the basket, so maybe I can do something fun with that. Next up are the same items, again in the smaller and bigger versions that they come in, and it is this, I don't know what it even is, jumbo. Oh, it's just like a container, a metal container, but it's in like this very like vintagey gold color. So it's not super gold in your face glamorous gold. It's more of like a rustic gold, and I feel like this is the perfect like warm metal transition for like late summer to fall, and I absolutely loved it. This one was $19.99, so a bit steeper than I was hoping, but it was 50% off, so I got it for $10. And again, I'm just inspired by this color of gold. I think it's gonna make a good summer to fall transition color because it's not copper, so it's not orangey. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just pretty excited. And then I got the bigger one to match with it, and this is how they look side by side. So this is a pretty big like size difference, and again, it's that same like antique rusted gold color. And this one was $24.99, 50% off. And yeah, I'm just in love with them. I might like separate them, so put one in one area of my house and the other one in another one, or I might like stack them on top of each other. I'm still not sure. I just know that I love them and I want to use them in my decor. So this is from the spring line again. So if you guys still have some of the spring items at your Hobby Lobby, I'd say go run for it, because my Hobby Lobby is wiped from spring decor. Like there is hardly any left, so I would definitely recommend checking yours out if you spotted anything you liked. Next up are my florals. So let me go ahead and adjust myself again. This is truly what inspired my whole theme. When I saw these, I thought they were the perfect florals for transitioning from summer to fall, because it just looks like the flowers are dying, to be completely honest. Like it's not like fall leaves falling off the trees or anything like that. They're still florals, so they work for summer, but they're just kind of like droopy. Like they're not fully opened yet. They're kind of like droopy. Just kind of looks like they're dying. Like imagine you're walking by the sidewalk and you see these like drooping instead of like standing straight up. So I absolutely love these. I got the yellow color, and these were $6.99, 50% off. And I also got the like burgundy color. Again, I just think they look so cool. They look so realistic, and they look like they're dying. As weird as that sounds, that's what really attracted me to them. Again, they're $6.99. Oh, this one was $7.99. That one was $6.99, and this one was $7.99. I wonder if it's because of the color change, but yeah, I'm not even lying to you guys. Watch. This one was, I don't know if it's like, okay, you guys can't see that, but this one's $6.99, and the burgundy one is $7.99. But nonetheless, I got them 50% off, and I still love them. So yes, I got those. And then you guys know that I use baby's breath around my house. So again, just trying to go with like a late summer feel. I got both of these baby breaths. This is in a burgundy color, and this is in like a yellowy creamy color. So I just feel like this looks like they're dying, like they're getting to the end of their life, and they are gorgeous. They match these ones, so I might combine them in some places. I tried to get like matching colors, so like the burgundy with the burgundy and the yellow with like the creamy color. And yeah, I absolutely love these, and these were $4.99, 50% off. So yeah, I'm excited to decorate and see how everything turns out. I have a few more items to show you guys, but the next one is just this like wheat grass. And again, I saw this and it just reminded me of summer with my dad, because my dad used to grow wheat. He also grew like beans and other crops, and so, but this is one of the things that you would look outside into his ranch at the end of like summer or fall, and this is what you would see. So again, just bringing back those memories and making me feel closer to him in a way. So I absolutely love these. This was a $7.99, 50% off, and I'm going to incorporate it in some way. I'm thinking these might go in this basket right here, this one. I just think that would look so cute for the end of summer. And the last few items I grabbed were some candles. So I have another haul coming up for you guys where I will be sharing what I'm using these for, and I'm actually pretty excited. So yeah, stay tuned. I have some items from Amazon as well as from a small shop, and some like things from here and there, Target and so on. So stay tuned for that haul video. And the last and final item I grabbed at Hobby Lobby was this cross. It just says blessed. It's super simple. It just has a wooden outline. It's white inside, and it just says blessed in cursive inside. This was $8.99 and I got it 40% off with my coupon. Now I got this to go on top of my entry door. I don't know if this applies to everyone, but at least growing up it was a like tradition or a culture thing to have a cross over every entrance in your house. And I don't have any, like I don't even have a single cross in my home. And my mom noticed it the other day and she kind of got on my case about it. So I went ahead and I grabbed this one to go above my entryway door, and then I'll probably be getting another one for my garage door, like the entry to my garage. That way my mom don't get mad at me anymore. And she is right, I should have some type of cross in my home. So I'm happy that I finally got this one, and it'll look super cute still. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. I hope you spotted some items that maybe you guys will like. But if you're interested in finding out how I use all of these items actually, make sure you are subscribed. I would love to have you here on my YouTube family, and yeah, hit that notification bell so you are notified of my upcoming videos. I have a laundry room makeover coming up. I have another haul video coming up, an exciting collab coming up, and then some decorating videos. So make sure you hit that notification bell and are subscribed. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps me out. And yeah, if you're new, I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you're not new, I still hope to see you guys in my next video. And I thank you again from the bottom of my heart for being here. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.